Hello, thank you for popping into my channel. I'm Sweet D and you're watching Sweet D TV. Now, this gorgeous unit right here, I cannot say enough. It's by Bare Lace, and it's part of their Glueless wigs. It has 13 by 6 pre-plucked baby hairs. It has a breathable mesh cap with a wig van in the back, which I love. It's also adjustable. It also has silicone lining for secure and give into glue and install. So it's also safe to heat up to 400. I wouldn't do that if I were you because, you know, the curls are not going to come back the same. However, that is your choice. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you a side from this view, and I'll turn around. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a side from this side. He's about 28 inches long, and beautiful. Well, I'm Sweet D. I've said all I have to say today. Thank you for watching my video. Enjoy the rest of yours. See you in the next video.